The attorney for University of Utah Police Chief Rodney Chapman says his client is being forced out for constant concerns over how the Lauren McCluskey murder case was mishandled and his transparency with that case.
Fox 13's HAILEY Higgins is live at the University of Utah this evening and continues our coverage. HAILEY.
Yeah, the attorney for Chief Rodney Chapman declined to talk to us today, but did talk with our content sharing partners over at the Salt Lake Tribune and says that Chapman is being treated like a scapegoat and denies any wrongdoing.
Chief Rodney Chapman's attorney, Kathleen McCluskey, told the Tribune her client was asked earlier this month to resign or be terminated. He was given 3 weeks to decide and put on leave during that time. McCluskey says school administration told Chapman the university was getting pushback and facing a possible legal complaint over the August release of an investigation that found an officer showed off explicit photos of Lauren McCluskey to his coworkers, photos she submitted as evidence before she was killed. McCluskey says administrators at the U were worried the school could face a misdemeanor charge for releasing the report without some officers' names redacted. An attorney for that officer says the university acted improperly, and his client, Miguel Darris, ended up losing his job because of it.
I do believe, based on the timeline as I understand it, that it was a number of months, potentially 6 months or more, that he functioned as the chief of police without being certified.
Jeremy Jones also argues that the chief did not have proper police certification in Utah and therefore shouldn't have been making personnel and other critical decisions.
If you're not certified as a law enforcement officer, you can't undertake police authority. And if you're not a police officer, how then can you function legally or lawfully as a chief of police?
The university says Chief Chapman had the proper authority while awaiting certification. Utah Department of Public Safety confirms he has since received his certification.
Now, Chief Chapman is the subject of an investigation by the Utah Attorney's Office. We have been able to confirm that, and he has been on leave since December 10th. Reporting live at the University of Utah tonight, HAILEY Higgins, Fox 13 News, Utah.